What's up, guys? It's Jim from NEPA Pizza Review, and I'm here again with my Camp Chef Italia pizza oven. And you may have seen me use this quite a bit on social media and on YouTube and Facebook, and making pizzas and meatballs and chicken and other things like that. But I had recently a request to try to cook steak in it and see how that does. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Although I'm not an expert, but I did sort of do some research and see how you would go about it. And first, it involves a long preheat time. We have this thing going at 750 degrees, going on about 20 minutes now, and there is a cast iron skillet inside. Now we're going to prep the meat. First things first, we want to bring the steak up to room temperature so it relaxes and it makes for a more tender cut of meat. And then we're just going to unfold this all out. Let's find this beautiful cut of meat. By the way, shout out to Travato's Meat Market in Clark Summit, Pennsylvania. They do a great job. They have amazing cuts of meat. And the only thing we're going to do here to prep it is 3 quick ingredients. First, we're going to drizzle a little olive oil. Maybe a little less than that, but make sure you have clean hands here, obviously. We'll do a little olive oil on both sides. A little salt. Actually, a little more than just a little, because this is going to create a nice little crust on there. Some pepper as well. We're going to flip it. We have our cast iron skillet that is good and hot. Make sure we're using an oven mitt. Good and hot cast iron skillet. We're going to set it here on the hot pad. You can see it's so hot that it's just about melting my mitt here. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to slap that steak right in there and let it start searing. 30 seconds. Okay, so 30 seconds on that side. We're going to flip it. You can see what that's already done to sear for 30 seconds, and we're going to throw it back in. Now, I like to turn the oven down on low now, just so it can cook for a little bit longer. 750 degrees is pretty hot. Okay, we've been cooking for about 8 minutes now. We'll take a look here. This is a very thick cut of meat. Still needs to go. We're going to go for about 10 or maybe even 12, but just take a look at that. And there we have it. Beautifully cooked steak. About 12 minutes here. This is a thicker cut. You might be around 8 to 10 depending on how thick or thin. This is almost a 2-pound steak, so it did take a while. Well, let's go cut it up. We're going to let it rest, and then we'll go cut it up, see how it looks. Okay, now we're going to want to make sure we take it out of the pan because it's going to continue to cook, and then we'll leave it here to rest. Alright, here we go.